Ever wonder why sneezing gets a bless you while coughing gets ignored? The answer is surprisingly historical. In 6th century Rome, sneezing was a sign of illness. Pope Gregory I encouraged people to say, "God bless you," to protect others from falling ill. Over time, it became a polite reflex, even when plagues weren't around. Scientists believe the sudden and uncontrollable nature of sneezes makes them feel significant, as if something spiritual is involved. And let's face it, sneezing is way louder than coughing. Turns out your sneeze comes with a divine customer service. Who knew that? Who knew? More awkward punchlines and more content like this if you are subscribed.